This is the green list. Number 1, sack. I carried a sack of potatoes into the house. Number 2 is frame. I picked a blue picture frame to put around my Cubs photo. Number 3 is grass. I need to mow the grass before it rains. Number 4 is snake. The snake laid on the rock to warm itself in the sun. Number 5 is crab. The crab skittered across the sand to get away from the ocean waves. Number 6 is rain. It began to rain, so we closed the windows in the house. Number 7 is hand. I bumped my hand on the side of my desk. Number 8 is pain. I had a pain in my toe after I stubbed it. Number 9 is slam. Don't slam the door. Instead, close it slowly. Number 10 is cave. A family of bats lives in that dark cave.